guys, we have mail and we need to unbox this. Hey guys, and welcome back. So we have this wonderful package that was sent from Quick Grow International. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm actually very excited to see what is in the box. Now if you guys see any of these products that you would like to get for yourself, what you can do is you can just head on over to the link in my description box and you can buy these amazing products at a discounted price. All you need to do is you can use my discount code, which is Hair Science 101. Now let's not delay this video and let's start unpacking. Don't try this at home, kids. Okay, so we've got this amazing hair treatment mask. I think the light is just a bit too... Oh, no, I just made myself... Okay, but this is how it looks like. This smells sweet. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So this is the shaker mug. You actually get a little packet of collagen in here. Ah yes, vegan collagen in it. And then it's got like this little cute thing here where you can put your straw in and like close it. So it'll keep your straw and everything. There we go. How's that? This is actually so cute. Okay, so I'm going to put this back inside. And it's nice and glass. So the nice thing about this is obviously it's reusable, and I think it just saves the planet a lot of recycling. Aha! And you get a reusable straw with it. There we go. Just like that. Wait, hold on. I want to use it now. Ta-da! Hold on. There we go, there we go, there we go. Isn't that cute? Okay, next up. Ooh, this looks like a pretty gift. I actually do like the packaging a lot. I mean, come on guys. Doesn't that look pretty? So if your favorite color is pink, you know what to do, hey? Okay, let's see. Okay, so you've got your shampoo. And you've got conditioner. Okay, but first I also just need to... I like smelling things. Oh man, it's closed here. It's good. Because it makes sure that it doesn't leak out of your package. So when they're sending it, then they make sure it's not going to leak. So this is actually a very safe way of doing things. Yeah, and this is not going to leak. That I can tell you. smells very nice, it's fresh, like you obviously just come out of the shower, but yeah, that I like. Like fresh, clean hair, that is what it smells like. Then we've got our quick grow capsules. So you've got, I think it is 60, yes, your amino acids. There we go. Very important for building blocks, for growing healthier, stronger and longer and faster growing hair. Then, what else? We've got collagen. The nice thing about all this is it is also vegan, so for all you vegans out there, this is not bovine. You guys can also get yourself this package. So guys, we have received some amazing products from Quick Grow International, so thank you guys once again, Quick Grow International, for sponsoring this video and these products. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you guys want to get yourself any of these amazing products, you can just go down to the link in my description box and use my discount code HairScience101 and you can get these products at a much discounted price. So you don't even have to pay full price for it. So come on guys. And then I can finally start using these amazing products. And like I said, we're going to go a little bit deeper into the ingredients. I'm also going to show how I'm going to use them, and I'm also excited about the collagen. Usually collagen doesn't taste good at all, so I'm excited to try this and see if I like this collagen specifically. But anyways guys, that is it for today's video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. So that is it guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!